I want to share some visions concerning the will that was forged by the Zulu royal family. So indeed, there is an original will, and then there's a forged will. So there was a corrupt judge and a lawyer that was involved, and there's an ongoing case, and there are new, lawyers and judges. I'll say like a judge and a lawyer, you know and these ones are godly, if I can put it like that. And they are working on this case, with diligence. And yeah, so I was shown visions, and I remember meeting two guys. They seem to be from a legal firm. Maybe they are lawyers, but the name Jacobs is very significant. I'm not sure if maybe it's a law firm that works with the Zulu royal family. I don't know. Yeah, but there is a lot of shadiness that has happened. And so those who know the details about Jacobs might know what I'm talking about. But that's all was shared to me. Yeah, and it was revealed to me that there was something I was not satisfied with, and but some details I'm not gonna share them with you now. But also there were three women, and I'm not sure if there was one woman who's a lawyer, and then some other two ones. There's like a dirty offer that they have prepared, and they came forward with 33%. So yeah, so this is now on a different dimension, what I'm sharing, but I know that it will manifest in the physical. And basically there's a dirty offer being prepared, because they know that well, according to them, that I don't know everything. Unfortunately, I know everything. And yeah, so it's gonna be an interesting experience when that happens. And I am also expecting a lawyer that's gonna reach out to me, and a few things that have happened spiritually, and I'm gonna leave some details for now. But yeah, so people must not be shocked. And it's funny, because I remember there was someone, when I was spiritually led to Kwanongoma. Someone said that no, Mrs. Zulu knew that. Actually, he even said that to himself, amongst few people, that um, he's into this position for a short while. And yeah, so he's gonna basically capitalize. Yeah, so it's interesting, because when I went to Kwanongoma, I was not really told who I was, but I was told that I was a king. And there was a lot of Ndwandwe, ancestral lineage, that came forward. And then magically I spent so much time with the Zulu royal family. But yeah, so things had to happen this way. And yeah, so it's gonna be interesting. And unfortunately, I cannot embark on a journey that is dirty spiritually, and the blood sacrifices that have been shown. I have to clean all of that. I cannot be on that path. I don't belong to the kingdom of darkness. And unfortunately, um, the true kings um, are hidden, and the false ones, are the ones who are in the forefront. And you all guys will also understand why I'm being shown a lot about Cyril Ramaphosa. You guys will easily make the connection, right, between him and the Zulu royal family. And yeah, so I don't get to choose what gets pushed to me and what I get to experience, right? Whether it's like through like remote viewing, visions, dreams, etc., right? And even messages that I see physically. Yeah, I don't get to choose. It's a path that I'm walking. And yeah, if, I know some will call me crazy, etc. That's fine. I'm expecting majority of you guys to respond in that way, so I'm not really bothered by that. And yeah, so I mean, I eat demons for breakfast. And yeah, so I am dealing with a lot, and I've done with a lot spiritually. And yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I've been shown also a number of people that will be arrested. Some they are already like suffering, health wise, and some um, are experiencing financial losses, etc., the number of things. And look, God is taking care of everything. And I am not here to celebrate the downfall of the evil. My focus is to walk uh, on the path that was created for me, a godly path, sorry. So yeah, and yeah, I have to speak English because there's a big reason for that. And isixhosa ndiyasithetha, isisimbancinci ndiyasithetha, kodwa ke ixesha loba ndithethe ngolo hlobo lizawufika. Okwangoku kumele izinto zikhuphe ngobunjalo bazo, ukwenzela uba abantu abaninzi bandive ukuba ndithini na. Nabo ke abantu abaninzi nabo kumele bafunde kule ndlela yomoya endihambayo, bawazi amandla kaNkulunkulu. Okwangoku ndingabonakala ngokungathi ndisisibhanxa kwingxaki, kodwa ke ndiqinile, ndaqiniswa, ndomelezwa ngumoya ongcwele kwasekuzalweni kwam. Ngoko ke andinokwazi uba ndithambe ndibe getyegetye, kumele ndiqine. Sizobonana, ndisekhona, ndisemandleni. Nangu kumkhulu ke